The following are examples of geographic fields. The first one is air temperature, barometric pressure, elevation, and all of the above. What do you think is the answer? Now the answer you are getting to is absolutely correct. It's all of the above. Geographic field, any natural phenomena is represented by geographic fields in GIS and is in geography. Geographic field, a way to represent the natural phenomena where you will get value for every location or every point. So a geographic phenomena that has a value everywhere. So if you take the mountain ranges, every point will give you certain elevation. So this has to be naturally occurring. That is the key of calling it as a geographic field. Assume it as a geographical function. So if you provide some X, you will always get a Y. So if you provide latitude, longitude, you will always get an elevation for mountain ranges, which is a geographic field. So there can be an example of geographic field which is naturally occurring. For example, air temperature. This world or outside world, every place will have a air temperature. So if you take the neighborhood also, then also you will have a temperature. Same thing goes for barometric pressure. Even the outside world or different planets, they also have certain pressure. But every point will have pressure. That is why we are calling it as the naturally occurring and geographic field. You can regard it as geographic field. Elevation example I just gave you. This elevation is the height, and even if you go below water or above the soil, above the ground, you will always find certain elevation for every point. And since the elevation is naturally occurring, geographic field it is.